Hello friends, so the UPSC CMS July 24 results have been declared today, and I've been getting a lot of messages, many gratitude messages, and I am grateful for those gratitude messages. I'm humbled that I could contribute to your journey, and some messages as well where the students are worried. They are getting anxious that they could not qualify the UPSC CMS exam, and they have started overthinking and extrapolating the same result to the NEET PG exam as well. So this message is from heart to heart to the students who are feeling this. Guys, please don't extrapolate the UPSC CMS unexpected results to your NEET PG results. I do not want anybody of you to carry that baggage for your upcoming NEET PG exam preparation the last days. Remember that it has never happened that India has won all the matches in the innings, right? So remember that some days are not as good as the other days. So please do not extrapolate your results. Please do not curse yourself. Please do not start doubting yourself. You can still crack it. You can still hit a 6 at the last ball. So just stay on the ground and keep playing. You can still win the final match. Nothing is over till the last ball of the match. Always remember that. And remember that everybody's journey is a unique journey. Please do not compare yourself to your friends who started late and still could crack the UPSC CMS exam. Everybody is on their journey. Your life's movie has been scripted. So just stay as the actor to play your best role in the movie of your life, which has been directed by the Supreme Power. You are being taken care of, and ultimately you will reach your happy ending, be it today or be it tomorrow. Always remember, your success can be delayed, but it can never be denied, provided you are ready to put in that efforts, provided you have that patience. Always there by your side. Thank you so much.